Have you ever wondered if what you desire in life is seeking you in return? This thought-provoking question leads us into the exploration of the mirror principle. Imagine for a moment that the universe is like a giant mirror, reflecting back to you everything you project. The thoughts you think, the emotions you feel, and the beliefs you hold are all mirrored in the world around you. This principle can profoundly impact your life, opening the door to a deeper understanding of how to manifest your desires. We'll dive deep into the mirror principle, how it works, and how you can harness its power to transform your reality. The mirror principle is a concept that suggests the universe reflects back to us what we put out. Think of it like this: your inner world creates your outer world. The thoughts you think, the emotions you feel, and the beliefs you hold all contribute to the reality you experience. When you project positivity, gratitude, and love, the universe mirrors these back to you in various forms. Conversely, negativity, fear, and doubt are also reflected back. Understanding this principle is the first step towards consciously creating the life you desire. Thoughts are not just fleeting moments in your mind, they are powerful forms of energy that shape your experiences. Every thought you have emits a certain vibration and frequency. Positive thoughts vibrate at a higher frequency and attract similar high-frequency experiences into your life. On the other hand, negative thoughts emit lower frequencies, drawing in experiences that match that vibration. Realizing the power of your thoughts allows you to take control of your life and steer it in the direction you choose. To manifest your desires, it's crucial to align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with what you truly want. Start by reflecting on your deepest desires. What do you want to achieve? What kind of life do you envision for yourself? Once you have clarity, examine your current mindset. Are your thoughts and beliefs supporting your desires, or are they creating resistance? One effective way to align with your desires is through the use of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your goals and aspirations, helping to shift your mindset and align your energy with what you want to attract. Beliefs play a pivotal role in shaping our reality. Often, we hold on to limiting beliefs that hinder our ability to manifest our desires. These beliefs are ingrained in us from past experiences, societal conditioning, and self-doubt. To change your reality, you need to identify and replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Begin by questioning the validity of your current beliefs. Are they serving your highest good? If not, replace them with beliefs that support your goals. For instance, if you believe that success is difficult to achieve, change that belief to one that affirms success is within your reach and achievable with consistent effort. Visualization is a powerful tool that can bring your desires closer to reality. It involves vividly imagining your desired outcomes as if they are already happening. When you visualize, you create a mental picture that evokes the emotions and sensations associated with achieving your goals. This practice not only helps to clarify your desires, but also strengthens your belief in their attainment. To visualize effectively, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and imagine your desired outcome in detail. See it, feel it, and believe it. The more vivid and real your visualization, the more powerful it becomes in attracting your desires. Emotions are a key component in the manifestation process. The universe responds to the emotional vibrations you emit. Therefore, feeling the emotions associated with achieving your desires is crucial. For example, if you desire abundance, cultivate feelings of gratitude and abundance in your daily life. One effective way to enhance emotional alignment is through a gratitude practice. Each day, take a few moments to reflect on the things you are grateful for. This practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance, raising your vibration and aligning your energy with your desires. While thoughts and emotions are powerful, they must be complemented by action. Taking inspired action means acting on the intuitive nudges and ideas that come to you. These nudges are the universe's way of guiding you towards your desires. It's important to listen to your intuition and act on the ideas that feel right. These actions, no matter how small, create momentum and bring you closer to your goals. Remember, inspired action is different from forced action. It feels natural and aligned with your desires rather than something you feel obligated to do. Resistance is often the biggest obstacle to manifesting desires. It comes in the form of doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs. To allow your desires to manifest, you must release resistance. This involves letting go of doubts and trusting the process. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, even if you cannot see immediate results. Practice patience and faith, knowing that everything is unfolding as it should. Releasing resistance also means letting go of the need to control every aspect of the manifestation process. Surrender to the flow and allow the universe to work its magic. Regular self-observation is crucial in ensuring that you remain aligned with your desires. Take time to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Are they in harmony with what you want to achieve? If you notice any negative patterns or resistance, make the necessary adjustments. This practice of self-observation helps you stay on track and maintain a high vibration. It also allows you to course-correct and realign with your desires whenever needed. The power of the mirror principle can be seen in countless success stories. While we won't delve into specific examples, it's important to acknowledge that many individuals have transformed their lives by applying this principle. These stories serve as a reminder that the mirror principle works, and it can work for you too. Use these success stories as inspiration and motivation to stay committed to your own manifestation journey. The mirror principle is a powerful concept that can transform your reality. By understanding that the universe reflects back what you project, you can consciously create the life you desire. Align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your goals. Practice visualization, take inspired action, and release resistance. Regularly reflect and observe your progress, making adjustments as needed. Remember, what you desire desires you too. Start applying the mirror principle in your life today and watch as your dreams begin to manifest. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below, and let's support each other on this incredible journey of personal and spiritual growth.